Hey guys, it's me again, Jay, with Barrett Pressure Washing, doing another pressure washing video here today, this time in Pinellas Park, Florida. It is a cool and blustery day here in Pinellas Park, but we're here to do some pressure washing of a lanai area in a small walkway, so stick around and I'll show you how I do it. So here we are, pressure washing this lanai here in Pinellas Park, Florida. Just starting with some rinsing and then a little soap and bleach. Gonna help kill all the algae. You can't really see it in the video, but this lanai was filled with green algae. And just do a little on the deck there. Get ready for. So the next step in pressure washing this lanai here in Pinellas Park, Florida will be to surface clean the patio area. And you can see how dirty that patio area is. Now just going through, giving everything a really good rinse. Getting all the bugs and spider webs and nests out of the corners, getting all the debris, and then eventually I'll have to get rid of all that water that's building up there at the front. Just a good rinse. So the next part of this job was this little walkway here, and again I'm just pre-soaking everything and then spraying some bleach on there. Bleach is otherwise known as sodium hypochlorite for us professionals. And basically what that does is that softens that black algae and all that organic material, so it comes off a lot easier when surface cleaning, which is what I'm doing now. And just going through and getting off all that organic material. And last, as usual, just giving everything a really good rinse. Getting all the debris off the walls. Getting the mat there. And just pushing everything to the front. Bunch of debris in the corners there and the side of the walkway. I got that out for them. And voila! Hey, if you are looking for a professional exterior cleaning and restoration service here in the Tampa Bay area, look no further than Barrett Pressure Washing. We do residential and commercial work. More than 15 years of industry experience, professionally trained and certified, tons of 5-star Google reviews, but more than that, I really am committed to excellence in every job that I do. I have the utmost respect for my customers, their property, and minimizing my impact on the environment.